Welcome to your Interior Design YouTube channel. Stylish and fancy decor can transform every room in your home, elevating it from ordinary to luxurious. In the living room, focus on the statement furniture and elegant essence. A plush velvet sofa in a rich color, paired with a chic marble coffee table, can create a sophisticated yet cozy atmosphere. Adding metallic essence like gold or brass in the form of side tables, light fixtures, or picture frames instantly infuses glamour. Layering textures such as slick cushions, fox, fur, throws, and intricate rugs can make the space feel more luxurious. For the bedroom, go for the serene yet opulent look, and a sculptured held with a tall, tuft elbowed brings a hotel-like vibe, while layered blending in satin or high thread count cotton adds comfort and style. The dining room, a grand dining table acts as a focal point with unpolished chairs to add elegance. For the bathroom, a spa-like atmosphere with fancy decor touches can make the space feel indulgent. In the kitchen, sleek countertops, a high-gloss cabinetry, and stylish hardware in finishes like brass or matte black bring a chic touch. Lastly, in the entryway, create a lasting impression with bold design elements. A stylish console table with a large mirror above it can set the tone for the rest of the home. Thanks for watching. Must subscribe and like Interior Design channel.